Hi guys, and on this week's episode I have been given one of these. So this is a JunJam helmet, EW618. Now this is a sponsored video. JunJam have kindly sent this out to me for review, and we're going to do an initial unboxing and impressions. And then on a subsequent video, we'll probably do just a sort of a test, go out for a ride on one of the PEVs. And on this one, I'm going to give you an idea of what it looks like and the specs. Bubble wrap, nothing else in the box. Okay, so we have a USB to USB-C charger. This is for the light on the back, a visor, and some goggles that fit on the front. Insert looks like, and instruction manual. So from initial impressions, it's your kind of bog standard cycle helmet. It has been certified to the European standard. So the European standard is CEN 1078. Now this is generally sort of bicycle standard. This does say that it's meant to be up to 23, 24 miles an hour for PEVs. Personally, I think anything like this for a PEV up to say 15 miles an hour on say a scooter or an electric skateboard, anything over that I personally wear a full face. So you've got your normal adjustment mechanism that you've seen on loads of bikes before. Seems quite sturdy. You've got a light on the back with, let's see if it's got any power. Doesn't look like it's got any power, so I might have to charge that, but that's good to have, to be honest. That's a nice little touch. A light on the back, always good to be seen, especially at night. Padding inside seems okay, but again, it's, you know, you can get these kind of helmets from the likes of in the UK, certainly like Halfords and places like that. Like I said, I think for the initial impression of this one, it's good. Let's see if it fits. So yeah, you know, for a bicycle helmet, I would suggest rather than a PEV. But like I said, you know, I think you could be quite happily ride one of these slow speeds up to 15, perhaps on scooters and skateboards. Let's see what else we've got. So we've got, looks like a visor that clips on the front here somewhere, and then you get that extra kind of visor bit, which again it's a nice touch. You can choose to have it or not have it. And we have these, which you don't often see, to be honest, on lids. Nice little visor to keep the flies out more than anything. And that's good. That's magnetic, so that's quite nice. That does really stay on there. It's that, and then literally clips on, and then you have that as well. So that's not bad actually. That's a nice little touch. I like that, and with the light, I can do that with my glasses on. What kind of buckle it's got? So it's got the standard, it's not a magnetic one, it's more of a slot in like you get again on a traditional one. I'm not going to do it all the way up yet. But again, you know, if you want to kind of cover this area for like when you're cycling on flies and stuff, that's actually not that bad. But guys, but as a lid, initial impressions I think are quite nice actually, and I can wear my glasses under here, which is important. Sometimes you get these sort of visors and they're too near, and I do struggle. I have to wear different glasses when I'm wearing my full face, so it's nice to just be able to wear my normal glasses under here. Then a chin strap, and then another kind of insert that you can kind of put under this bit as well. So that's good. Normal instructions, you know, pretty simple. Don't really need too much around a lid. And like I said, USB, a normal USB, and to USB-C for the light on the back. And we'll do a test of the light and see how bright that is. Quite a bright backlight as well, which is good. Let's try the modes. Flashing light, which is good. That's pretty cool. I quite like that one. Again, you're going to be seen, or give somebody an epileptic fit either way. And then off again. Initial impressions are good. If you want to get one of these, then use the link below. This, like I said, this is a sponsored video. My thoughts on my own though, I will always give you my honest impression. So my initial impressions, I think it's good. I think I would probably use this alongside my Ruroc half helmet that I sometimes use when I go out on my A2 or a skateboard. I wouldn't, like I said, I don't think I'd use it for higher speeds than that. That's just a personal preference. That's entirely up to you. So the price of this normally retails for £179.54 pounds. It's currently in sale, £124.66. It's called the Magnetic Attractive Google version. I'm just checking on the website, make sure I've got the details right. 3 light modes on the light, 12 placements for air vents, and 4 different styles or modes of wearing it. You can wear it just the lid with the visor, just the lid with obviously the goggles, and then without. So, you know, it gives you an idea of that. The small, medium and large sizes, so they're between 50 and 54 centimeters, 55 and 58 centimeters, and 59 and 61 centimeters for sizing guides. And then certified to EM1078, CPSE and NTA 8776. So yeah, overall I think it's a good helmet. I think it's fine for cycling and up to speeds of 50 miles an hour on a PEV. Personally, I think over that, personally you'd want a full face, but that's my personal opinion. Entirely up to you guys how you ride. The material is made out of polycarbonate, and the model is EW618. But overall, I think it's a good lid. It's probably not doing anything out of the ordinary, but it for a cycle helmet, I think it is absolutely fine. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thank you, JunJam, for sending me this helmet. That's much appreciated. And look out for a future video of a full test. Okay, thanks very much, guys. Bye bye.